In my video guide, I will tell you about getting rid of Acapps.online pop-ups and why exactly they are dangerous. You'll find out how to remove the source of these pop-ups from your computer. Considering the information about Acapps.online website and its analysis on Alexa site ranking, currently these pop-ups target many European countries, the UK, Netherlands, Germany, and other countries too. The mission of these pop-ups is to force you into actually installing certain adware. The pop-up says that you actually are going to install some Facebook Messenger application, but in reality, the adware is instead installed. In the light of these facts, you need to be very careful not to proceed and to stay away from interacting with all these fake alerts. If you have discovered these pop-ups and if these pop-ups are persistent, consider checking your available Mac applications. So go to the Finder, click on Applications in the left area, and you will find the list of all programs currently installed. So if you find some suspicious apps here, right-click on them and move them to the trash. Also, I recommend you to consider examining your Mac additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. So after the software is installed, it will first of all update its antivirus database, and then you need to click on Start Combo Scan button to begin the analysis of your Mac device. Keep in mind that initially the application is in the trial mode, however it has got some free features: disk cleaner, big files, duplicates. The antivirus is the feature that's the part of the premium license only. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether the trial mode or the premium mode is used, the program performs free research of your Mac computer. To find out what exact threads were removed during the scan, click on Review Results. This will show you the exact location of each specific thread that were detected, and you may click on this button that means Show in Finder, and this will show you its direct location, so you may move it to the trash manually. You may do the same thing with all other threads that were reported. You know their location based on this report, so you may remove each specific thread manually or automatically, however, with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.